Hi babies, it's B Simone. Welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see how I got this beautiful look with my HairAreUs Brazilian curly clip-ins with the top knot, please continue to watch this video because I will be giving you step-by-step instructions on how I got this beautiful look with HairAreUs hair. Shampoo and condition your natural hair with Tresses sulfate-free shampoo and deep conditioner. Rinse and blot dry your hair with the towel.
Yesterday we're worlds apart.
Comb through your hair to detangle with a paddle brush. Apply a generous amount of Tresses curling cream and anti-frizz leave-in conditioner to your natural hair.
And if you wanna walk away, I'll tell you all the things.
Prep your clip-ins. Using a spray bottle, saturate your Brazilian curly clip-ins with water. Apply a generous amount of Tresses curling cream and anti-frizz leave-in conditioner to your extensions and comb through to detangle using a paddle brush. Section out your natural hair for top knot. Wrap a short wefted track of Brazilian curly around your top ponytail. Pin in place with a bobby pin and twist your hair into a top knot. Starting at the bottom, section off your natural hair to prepare to install the Brazilian curly clip-ins.
Yesterday we're worlds apart. I think I may love you.
Be sure to start from the bottom and continue upward until clip-ins are fully installed.
Baby, you love me too. Welcome closer to you if you come over. I know we go farther.
For the final look, spray hair down with water to saturate. Slick edges as desired. Apply a small amount of Tresses curling cream and anti-frizz leave-in conditioner throughout your hair. Comb through to detangle. This will ensure that your natural hair and clip-ins blend flawlessly. Let hair air dry. Do not fluff or pull curls apart until completely dry. This will eliminate the frizzy, untamed look. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming to my YouTube channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you decide to do this hairstyle, please tag me and @ me so I can look at it and see how well you did. Thank you guys so much. Mwah.